Getting ready for school in the morning is so boring, but we know how to turn a morning routine into a funny battle. Arrange a funny prank fight with your friends. It's an excellent start of the day. We are just in the middle of our morning fights. Pajama fights is not for life, but for a bathroom. Who will be the winner in this prank war? The Shaolin monk Winkin or the red dragon redhead Blinkin? Winkin goes into the battle. There's a whole set of bedroom pranks in her arsenal. First things first, let's add some softness to the pillows. Take hollow fiber filling. Unzip a pillow and fill it with the hollow fiber filling. Zip it so that there's a little hole left. Put the pillow onto your friend's bed. Yikes! Someone's coming! Winkin strikes a ninja pose quickly, melting into the wall. Blinkin enters the bedroom and plops herself down on the bed. The only thing she dreams about is some sleep with a comfy blanket. But her treacherous friend keeps on preparing her pranks. Why does she need a strand of hair? Is it a black magic ceremony? Phew! Thank God it's not real. Take a strand of artificial hair and trim the edges lengthwise so that they look natural. Put the strand onto your friend's pillow. It matches the pillowcase a lot. But that's not the end. Now Winkin takes out ribbon for some reason. Does she want to hold Redhead hostage without letting her go to school? Tie your friend's legs carefully so that you don't wake her up. Then wrap the ribbon around her hand and fasten the other end to the shelf. Ready? Now your friend won't be able to hop out of the bed quickly. It's time for the main prank now. Start timing mechanism. Set a few alarms at 6 o'clock and place the clocks all over the bedroom, on a bedside shelf, on the bed, right near her ear. Ooh! Let the performance start! Poor Redhead! A whole choir of nasty alarms wakes her up. She hops up and finds a strand of her hair in her hand. Oh dear! Did I go bald this night? She can't move her hand. Her legs are tied up too. Blinkin somehow finds a way to turn off all the alarm clocks around her with a gracious fish-style move. Finally, she unties her hand and stretches out to get the nastiest alarm on the top shelf. I've got you! Phew! It's been a harsh wake-up. But it turns out that Blinkin's morning adventures are not over. She makes the bed, takes the unzipped pillow, and all the filling falls out. Redhead tucks it back furiously. She's obviously lost this battle. Shaolin monk Winkin gets 1 point in this round. But the red dragon redhead doesn't lag behind. She creeps into the bathroom to prepare revenge pranks. To begin with, cut off some double-sided tape. Attach a strip of tape to the toilet seat. Take off the protecting cover and close the lid. Press it down to the seat so that it sticks. You don't need to go anywhere to prepare another prank. Swap your regular toilet paper for its mini copy. Cut a small strip out of white cardboard and make a small tube out of it. Arrange toilet paper into a stack without tearing it. Measure the width of the tube and cut off the needed strip of paper. Glue the beginning of the roll to the tube and wind the mini paper around the mini tube. I put my paper miniature into the toilet paper holder. It's so tiny, it's almost invisible. I've prepared a special toothpaste with glitter for glittering teeth. Cut off the end of a toothpaste tube. Put the paste into another container. Take out the remains with a wooden stick. Add food glitter to the paste and mix it thoroughly. Put the glittering mass back into the tube. Clean the edge with a Q-tip. Wrap it with parchment paper and seal it with an iron. I put the toothpaste tube into a glass. It will wait for its turn. And finally, let's arrange a jelly trap. Add gelatin to water and cover a bathroom door handle with it. Winkin comes into the bathroom, but bewitched objects are waiting for her here. Open sesame! But the seat lid doesn't react to this spell. Now it's crystal clear. A double-sided tape spell has been cast here. Then she takes the toilet paper, but it's miraculously become 10 times smaller. It's magic! My friend is going to brush her teeth. She squeezes out the paste, but after using it, her teeth look like a unicorn's jaw. It's pink and sparkling everywhere around. It looks like Toothpaste happened to be in a fairy tale land. And when she decides to leave this magical toilet world, she grabs at the jelly handle. Miracle, and that's that. Shaolin monk Winkin has fallen for all the pranks. The score is 1-1. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. This is why it is critical not to miss a prank opportunity. I bring milk and sweets to my friend. Pour drinkable yogurt into an empty carton of milk. Redhead wants to add some milk out of the carton into her coffee. Yuck! It's yogurt! Coffee and yogurt are absolutely incompatible. I offer my signature muffin to my friend in order to get rid of the yogurt with coffee aftertaste. Cut a head of broccoli so that it will shape like a muffin. Add hot water to gelatin. Mix it and cover the broccoli with it. Cover it with sprinkles abundantly and put it into a paper muffin mold. Redhead bites off a piece of the muffin greedily, but there is a vegetable filling inside. It's a broccoli taste and 0 calories. The vegan dessert is not what she expected. Redhead goes to the fridge, but there's something special for her again. Redhead comes back with a pack of yogurt. She opens up the lid, hoping to get a snack, but a few eyes are looking at her from the pack. It is what bifidus bacteria actually look like. Put yogurt into a cup. Clean the pack. Grate chalk of different colors on a fine grater. Mix it with a spoon of semolina. Put it into the yogurt pack and decorate it with toy plastic eyes on top. Hot glue the lid back. This yogurt is obviously not edible, but it has given Blinkin a new view of life. You can't take your breakfast way too seriously. The Red Dragon Redhead Blinkin loses the kitchen battle. The score is 2-1.
You lose.
Blinkin must be up to something unachievable. This is why she needs a chair. Grate foam plastic finely and put it into a Kraft paper bag. Roll up the top of the bag and attach strips of double-sided tape to both sides. Redhead attaches the bag with foam plastic upside down over the room entrance, one side to the door and the other to the door frame. I walk into the room and get into a foam plastic snowstorm. This is a surprise! It's a pity that the plastic snow doesn't melt. I need to doll myself up now. Well, makeup bag is here. I'll go to get a mirror. Redhead is happy that her prank has been a success, and she keeps on plotting. Has her friend left her makeup bag? Very careless. She is going to take advantage of it. Take an old makeup brush. Cut off a strand of artificial hair and attach it to the brush bristles. Cut off the excess. Decorate the joining place with gold tape. I take my stuff out of the makeup bag. Oh my god, what's that? A hairy brush? Oh yes, I put the same hair onto Redhead's pillow today. And here you go, my pranks backfired. I can make great bangs out of this brush. Redhead swaps her friend's comb while she's busy with her coloring experiments. Trace a few comb teeth on a piece of white cardboard. Measure their width and height. Draw an oval on top. It will be a tooth. Hot glue the white cardboard teeth to the comb so that there's little gaps in between. I take a comb and someone's upper jaw appears in the mirror. Am I hallucinating? Or maybe it's my friend's scary prank. On the other hand, an artificial jaw never hurts. Where is my lipstick? Oh, here it is. Peel a carrot and cut it to be of the same size as the lipstick. Shape the carrot into a lipstick with a peeler. Put it into an empty lipstick container. Snip it aslant to let it look like a lipstick. This carrot color lipstick doesn't apply any color at all. But all of a sudden, my friend takes it away and bites off the stick. She seems to like the taste of the carrot lipstick, and it crunches as a fresh vegetable. This is real organic makeup. Who needs a carrot when you can treat yourself to chocolate? Especially when this chocolate hides a prank. Take out a bar of chocolate out of the package without damaging the wrapper. Clean the wrapper so that there are no chocolate traces left, and put a phone into it. Fasten the wrapper with double-sided tape. Redhead hides her friend's phone in a chocolate bar wrapper, and it starts ringing all of a sudden. Her friend searches for her phone, but she can't figure out where the sound is coming from. Is it a call from the chocolate factory? Finally, she finds her phone in the chocolate wrapper, but Redhead pretends that she has nothing to do with it. The round is over, and the red dragon wins. The battle ends in a tie, 2-2.
You win!
Did you like our morning routine pranks? Then write in your comments how you will prank your friends in the morning. Will you cook a broccoli muffin for breakfast, decrease the toilet paper, or make a comb without teeth? And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss something interesting.